this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here to share today my Christmas project for the Christmas All Year collaboration that I am hosting. This, of course, is a year-long collaboration where we come on every second Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we share with all of you our Christmas projects. The whole objective for this collaboration is to get a jump start on our Christmas crafting. So when that time rolls around, we will be sipping cocoa and enjoying our family and friends. There is a playlist for this collaboration if you need to get started on your Christmas crafting and you need some inspiration. Please check down below. I will have a link to that playlist, as well as a link to all of the channels for the collaborators in Christmas All Year. If you want to play along, you can use the hashtag. I will leave it in the screen. So just post your video and use the hashtag so that I can find your video. Don't forget to like up the video, you guys, to help support my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so that you do not miss another crafty video. All right, you guys, I'm not going to hold you long. I have other collaborators to visit. Let me share with you the products that I use. So today, I am sharing this cute little reindeer holder. My project today was completely scrap lifted and inspired by a crafter here on YouTube. I will link her video down below so you guys can check out what she has done. She put together these cute little reindeer holders for a craft fair. And I thought it was the cutest things. And I was in Hobby Lobby, so I picked up 2 packs. And so I can have some, you know, to do some more. But I didn't have the candy canes. But I did have some candy cane embellishments, so I included that. And also, I didn't have the cocoa packets. I just used what I had around the house. I had some mini Oreos, and so that's what I used in mine instead. I also used some distress inks to darken it up a bit. I used Vintage Photo. And then I also used some distress inks for the cheeks and some acrylic paint for the little, dots on the cheeks that we crafters like to do. So let me share with you how my cute little reindeer Oreo holders turned out. And here is the first one. Isn't she cute? I just love these. They're so cute. I am so glad I stumbled upon that video, or I probably would have just kept bypassing these cute little reindeer holders. So I put this cute little bow here on the top, this cute little gingerbread there in the center, and I just love the big eyes. I think it is so much cuter. Now the kit comes with, you know, the googly eyes and the string. Of course, we crafters, we like to do our own thing. And so I just, basically did what that crafter shared. I didn't use the string. I just hot glued mine as well. And I used the pom-pom nose. I think that is just so much cuter. So this is how it turned out. So here are the cute little candy cane embellishments that I included inside because I didn't have any candy canes around the house. And then I used just these cute little Oreos, mini Oreos. So that may be an ideal if you don't have any cocoa or if you want to switch things up. Just include some cute little mini treats inside. So the little embellishments just go down in here like that. And this is the first one that I put together. So let me share with you the second one I put together. Here is the second one. I used the red and white polka dot ribbon here on the top. And you guys, these are quick and simple to put together. I also included like some little eyelashes here with my little black pen, fine point pen. But these are cute. Aren't these the cutest things? And that is my share for you guys today. Make sure you check out the other collaborators. Don't forget to like the video. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.